Well, students, we continue problems based on problem number 5, and we are in class number 31 now. The present property says that integration a to b f of x dx equals to integration a to b f of a plus b minus x. This property meaning is that in a different integral, whenever required in the function f of x, we can change x to a plus b minus x as good as we can change x to sum of limits minus x. Already we solved 3 examples on this theorem. We add some more to those earlier examples list. Next question. Evaluate. Integration 3 to 6. Evaluate integration 3 to 6 log x divided by log x plus log of 9 minus x dx. First step I. Let I equal to integration 3 to 6 log x divided by log x plus log of 9 minus x. Say 1. And also you observe that 9. What is 9? 3 plus 6. Since 3 plus 6 equal to 9, that means we need to apply property number 5 and we need to change x to 3 plus 6 minus x, nothing but change x to 9 minus x. Change x to 3 plus 6 minus x. That is, change x to 9 minus x. Of course, in integration 1 function, in f of x, of integration 1. So now I becomes integration 3 to 6 log x becomes 9 minus x divided by log of 9 minus x plus when x becomes 9 minus x, consequently 9 minus x becomes x. That means this term will be log x. Next step will be as usual adding integrations 192 and 192. I mean adding integrals 192. On adding integrals 192, I plus I become 2y. Right side common integration 3 to 6. This term plus this term must be added. That is log x divided by log x plus log of 9 minus x. Plus next term log of 9 minus x divided by log x plus log of 9 minus x. Let's take LCM. On taking LCM, so 2y equal to integration 3 to 6. LCM is log x plus log of 9 minus 6. In the numerator we get log x plus log of 9 minus 6. So that now this complete expression will cancel out. 2y equal to integration 3 to 6, 1 dx. But integration of 1 dx is x. Therefore, 2y equal to x, limits 3 to 6. That is 2y equal to, at upper limit value 6, at lower limit value is 3. That is 2y equal to 3. Therefore, I becomes 3 divided by 2. Next question. Find or evaluate. Using problem number 5. Evaluate integration pi by 12 to 5 pi by 12. As good as 15 degree to 75 degree, total becomes 90 degree. Pi by 12 to 5 pi by 12, sec x by sec x plus cosec x dx. First step, begin from I. Step 1, we must have let I equal to integration pi by 12 to 5 pi by 12 sec x divided by sec x plus cosec x. Let us change x to a plus b minus x. Change x to a plus b minus x means pi by 12 plus 5 pi by 12 minus x. That is change x to pi by 12 plus 5 pi by 12, pi plus 5 pi 6 pi, it is 6 pi by 12. And how much 6 pi by 12? It is pi by 2, 6 1 is 6 2 sir. So change x to pi by 2 minus x in f of x. So now I becomes integration pi by 12 to 5 pi by 12 secant of pi by 2 minus x divided by sec pi by 2 minus x plus cosec pi by 2 minus x. Using other angle formulas, sec का probability minus theta is cosec theta, and similarly cosec का probability minus theta is sec theta. So now I becomes integration pi by 12 to to 5 pi by 12 sec का power to minus x will be cosec x divided by cosec x plus sec x. What is the next step? Adding 192. For so many problems experience, we can say that when we add 192, there will be an LCM. LCM is sec x plus cosec x. So add 192. I plus I, 2y. Right hand side. Integration pi by 12 to 5 pi by 12. This term added with this term. So when they added, there will be an sure LCM. LCM is sec x plus cosec x. With LCM as sec x plus cosec x, in the numerator we get sec x plus cosec x. So that now sec x plus cosec x will cancel. 2y equal to integration pi by 12 to 5 pi by 12. What we have 1 dx. Hence 2y equals to integration of 1 dx is x, limits pi by 12 to 5 pi by 12. 2y equal to, at upper limit value will be 5 pi by 12 minus at lower limit value will be pi by 12. 2y equals to LCM value 5 pi minus pi. 5 pi minus pi is 4 pi. So 2y equal to 4 pi by 12. 4 1s are 4, 3s are, then 2 3s are 6. Finally, I will be equal to pi divided by 6. Next problem. Using suitable properties. Write question like this. Using suitable properties of definite integrals. Using suitable properties of definite integrals, show that integration pi by 6 to pi by 3, 1 divided by 1 plus square root of tan x dx equals to pi divided by 12. Start with I. Let I equal to given integration. Let I equal to integration pi by 6 to pi by 3, 1 by 1 plus root of tan x. Call 1. We shall change x to pi pi by 6 plus pi by 3 minus x. Change x2 pi by 6 plus pi by 3 minus x. Further, pi by 6 plus pi by 3 means 30 degree plus 60 degree become 90 degree. So change x2 pi by 2 minus x. In f of x of 1. So that now I becomes as integration pi by 6 to pi by 3 1 by 1 plus square root of tan of pi by 2 minus x. Further, what is tan of pi by 2 minus x? Cot x. Hence, I equal to integration pi by 6 to pi by 3, 1 divided by 1 plus root of cot x. Next will be adding integrals 192. Add 192. On adding 192 I plus I 2y, right side common integration pi by 6 to pi by 3, 1 by 1 plus root of tan x plus another term 1 by 1 plus root of cot x. Next, before taking LCM in this problem, better we shall write tan x as sin x by cos x, cot x as cos x by sin x. That is equal to integration pi by 6 to pi by 3, 1 by 1 plus root sin x by root cos x. Plus 1 by 1 plus what is cot x? It is cos x to sin x. So root cot x become root cos x by root sin x. LCM in the denominator. Similarly, LCM in the denominator. After LCM, root cos x goes to numerator. Here root sin x will come to numerator. Individual denominator taken LCM, root cos x and root sin x. So 2y equal to integration pi by 6 to pi by 3. LCM root cos x, that will directly comes to numerator part. Hence it is root cos x by root sin x plus root cos x. Similarly, LCM with root sin x, that goes to numerator. Root sin x divided by root sin x plus root cos x. Now we shall take main LCM. Earlier just some simple simple LCM within that denominator part. Now main LCM, how much that LCM? Root sin x plus root cos x is LCM. Taking LCM now. 2y equal to integration pi by 6 to pi by 3. LCM root sin x plus root cos x. Because of same LCM term, we have to add numerators. In the numerator we get root cos x plus root sin x. So that this complete factor will cancel. 2y equal to integration pi by 6 to pi by 3, 1 dx. y equal to integration pi, back now. What is integration of 1 x? Limits pi by 6 to pi by 3. Upper limit put x equal to pi by 3 minus lower limit put x equal to pi by 6. 2y equal to pi by 3 minus pi by 6. Pi by 3 minus pi by 6 will be pi by 6 because LCM 6, 2 pi minus pi is pi. It is equal to pi by 6 after LCM. 60 degree minus 30 degree will be 30 degree. It's pi by 6. Finally, I is equal to 1 by 2 into pi by 6. That is pi by 12. Next problem, using problem number 5, evaluate. Before next problem we handle these 3-4 questions, you try yourself because of same type as an assignment. Evaluate integration minus 5 to 10. Integration minus 5 to 10. Sin x divided by sin of x plus sin of 5 minus x. First step, take I. Next step, change x to 5 minus x. So what we get? Sin 5 minus x by sin 5 minus x plus sin x. Take LCM, everything else is, your answer becomes 15 divided by 2. Next, evaluate integration 3 to 7. 3 to 7 x power 5 divided by x power 5 plus 3 plus 7, 10. So 10 minus x power 5. Next, evaluate integration pi by 6 to pi by 3. Sin x power 4 by sin x power 4 plus cos x power 4. What you have to do, change x to pi by 6 to plus pi by 3 minus x, nothing but change. X2 pi by 2 minus x, sin becomes cos, cos becomes sin. Then take LCM and continue like in the previous problems. Another one, evaluate integration pi by 12 to 5 pi by 12. 1 by 1 plus cot x to the power of 101 dx. Like in the previous problem, first you change x to pi by 12 plus 5 pi by 12 minus x, that becomes pi by 2 minus x, cot become tan, add them. Then write cot as cos by sin and tan as sin by cos. Or else, here only we shall write cot as cos by sin, then continue. Or this problem equally same as I equal to integration pi by 12 to 5 pi by 12. Cot x means cos x by sin x. What is LCM? Sin x power 101. So which become sin x power 101 divided by cos x to the power of 101 plus sin x to the power of 101. Either this way or this way, both are same. You will call this as 1 now. Remaining like in the previous problems. Change x to pi by 12 plus pi by 12 minus x, as good as change x to pi by 12 minus x, so that sin becomes cos, cos becomes sin, add them, simplify, your answer becomes pi by 6 at the end. You try these 4 at home. Next problem, find or evaluate. Find integration 2 to 5. Evaluate integration 2 to 5. X square divided by x square plus x square divided by x square plus 7 minus x whole square. And usually you can expect 7. What is 7? 2 plus 5. So take I. Let I equal to integration 2 to 5 x square divided by x square plus 7 minus x whole square. Change x to 2 plus 5 minus x. Change x to 2 plus 5 minus x. That is change x to 7 minus x. Hence I equal to integration 2 to 5 7 minus x whole square divided by 7 minus x whole square. Now 7 minus x becomes x square. Next step, adding integrals 190. Add integrals 190. On adding integrals 190 to 2y equals to integration 2 to 5. By simple last problems experience when we add, there is LCM. What is LCM? X square plus 7 minus x whole square is LCM. And after LCM, in the numerator we also get same term, that is x square plus 7 minus x whole square. So complete factor will cancel. 2y equal to integration 2 to 6. 2 to 5 factor. 1 dx. That is 2y equal to integration of 1 dx is x, limits 2 to 5. 2y equal to, at upper limit 5, at lower limit 2, 2y equal to 3, or I equal to 3 divided by 2. So let's solve one more question on this type, and after this we have the property number 6, 7 and 8. Right, last problem based on property number 5. Find or evaluate integration 2 to 9 log of x square by log of x square plus log bracket 121 minus 22x plus x square. First step, take I. Let I equal to integration 2 to 9 log x square divided by log x square plus log you observe correctly 121 minus 22x plus x square can be written as x square minus 2 into 11x plus 11 square, because 11 square is 121. It is actually 11 minus x whole square. That expression is as good as a perfect square of 11 minus x. So this is nothing but 11 minus x square. Now we have to change x to 2 plus 9 minus x as well as change x to 11 minus x. Change x to 2 plus 9 minus x. That is change x to 11 minus x. Since 2 plus 9 is 11, so that now I becomes as I equal to integration 2 to 9, x will become 11 minus x, vice versa. 11 minus x will become x. That is the log of 11 minus x square by log of 11 minus x will changes to x, that is plus log of x square. What is the next step? Adding integrals 190. Add 190. I plus I become 2y. Right side integration 2 to 9. Log x square by log x square plus log of 11 minus x square. Next, log of 11 minus x whole square by log x square plus log of 11 minus x whole square. Now let's take finally LCM. On taking LCM, LCM being log x square plus log 11 minus x whole square, we will get the same term at the numerator. Hence 2y equal to integration 2 to 9 log x square plus log of 11 minus x whole square is LCM. So that numerator also we get same term, log x square plus log of 11 minus x square. As usual, full expression will cancels. 2y equal to integration 2 to 9 1 dx. But integration of 1 dx is as usual x limits 9 to 2 to 9 impact. 2y equal to at upper limit x equal to 9, value also 9. Lower limit x equal to 2, value is 2. 2y equal to 7 or I equal to 7 divided by 2. Like this, any other examples may come with different numbers, but pattern will not change. Means expression of a question function will not change. There is always a hint of a plus b minus x arrangement. That you have to understand. And according to that, you have to apply problem number 5, add integrals, take LCM, as usual everything get cancels, 1 dx, integrate, put limits and get the answer. So next we have problem number 6, problem number 7, problem number 8, we shall discuss in the next class, that is class number 32. Thank you.